Good afternoon, my friend. And today is in Wednesday, 13 November 2019. And then this is my second video of this day. I like today to make a video because when I make video, I try to improve my English too, to be better than before. Like the title of my video, to improve my English to be better than before. And now it's my daily activity. My daily activity is going to mosque. To mosque is my daily activity every day. Yeah, like now I must prayer Zuhur like that. The mosque is not far from my accommodation. It's maybe only 400 meters from my accommodation, so it's easy to reach the mosque. Okay, wait, I will stop the video and then to continue again. This my way to going to mosque. I'm always use this street, and only 400 kilometer or 300 kilometer I can reach the mosque. And then to pray Zuhur in Singapore is the time is 12:50. Then is now is the time is 12:53 or 4. So excess 3 or 4 minutes. So I must be fast to reach the mosque. And but the weather is now is a little bit hot, but it's okay for me to walk in the street to refresh my mind. I must go out from the accommodation, walking in the street and thinking what my next steps to do it activity. And in Monday, I got a job interview in the name of the place in Singapore is in Outer Park, and the place is inside the hospital. Wait a minute. Back again about when I talked before, I got some interview, and the name of the place is in Outer Park. Outer Park is in the middle of the town, so to reach the Outer Park, I must use MRT from my place. And then the place for me for interview is inside the hospital. And when the interview is start, where I must answer the question from the interviewer, sorry, is a little bit difficult to say interviewer. And they ask about everything, especially like why do you want work in Singapore, and then so many questions. And I think I failed with the that interview because my answer not satisfied the interviewer. But for me it's okay if I'm failed. I try to looking for the another job. Basically not me looking for another job, but my consultant to looking for another job. This mosque I'm always pray in here. The name is Masjid Ma'ruf, Mosque Ma'ruf. And to make video where I'm use English language, there is in this situation I don't ever range this word. This word cross from my mind, and is sometimes I got wrong to spell, to make a sentences in English. But basically when I talk with every people use English, every people to understand about my what I say to that people, basically. Because sometimes a little bit like double word like that, but people to know what I say. And then yeah, because every day I must speak English. Why every day I must speak English? Because when in the class every activity must use English, so that's why I must use English language. Now I must take a wudu before pray Zuhr pray in Ma'aruf Mosque.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma aslih lana dinana alladhi huwa 'ismatu amrina wa aslih lana dunyana.
And now has been finished pray in Ma'aruf Mosque, and the next activity is looking for a food. Because today I'm not eating in the this afternoon, so the best way is looking for a food. Maybe I'm looking for a cheap food in some place. I don't know which place I can find cheap food. Cheap, no cheap. Cheap is not expensive. I mean, so better I'm looking for food in supermarket. After that, I'm cook in my accommodation or in my room. Why is it talking about my room or accommodation? Before I want change my room with some Filipino people or Filipino nationality. Whereas the Filipino people live in 4th floor and I am in 10th floor. But after that, I will give a message to my friend, Filipino female, and the answer, her friend is don't want change the room. So now I must looking for a new room where I can take rest very good. Sometimes speak English without text make me a little bit confused, but sometimes the word is easy comes from my mind. So the most important is make our mind is free, so we can do anything to speak English. Like now I'm speak a little bit confused to think about the word what I must say, but after that the word is come easily from my brain to speak what I want. This is about now I want to talk about my study. My study in that course is till 7 days again. So after 7 days I will graduate from the school of hospitality. Not school of hospitality, I mean the school where I must learn about hospitality. After that I must do some internship where to do internship in maybe restaurant or the other. And after that I will get maybe a certificate or everything, I don't know. But the most important, I must follow the rules after finish the course or school. Sorry, now I'm a little bit confused again to arrange word in English. But basically, if my English bad is naturally from my soul, myself. So I don't want to say thinking I'm perfect in English, because a lot of mistake when I speak English, and when for the mistake I learn how to improve my English to be better than before. That's why I'm always speak English in this time. Maybe only 1 or 2 or 3 video use English. After that I will use video with bahasa or Indonesia language. Sometimes it's speak English for me is very difficult, but I try to be better in speak English like that. And I'm thinking what the topic to speak in English, because speaking English is very different with where I must speak in bahasa Indonesia, so very different. And this view around Ma'ruf Mosque. Bebas ya. And I think advice for myself and maybe get benefit to other people, where we the stage or situation must learn about English. We try every day use English. Like where we alone in some place, we must try speak English. Always try speak English. Don't worry or don't afraid about our mistake, because from mistake we always learn like that. Don't worry about the mistake. We always learn. And the most important thing, I think for better if we start English from the beginner, we must try to study in English course or looking for a teacher very expert in English. That can help us to speak English very well. And the last word, maybe I must go to supermarket and looking for the food. I will finish this video. See you again, my friend, and I wish my friend still with health, good condition and still healthy, and the activity is running smoothly. See you again, my friend. See, and I wish you want see again in my next video.